What a difference a week makes. This iconic structure is disappearing faster than anyone expected. We're back at the Gateshead Flyover on day 12 of the demolition, and what you're about to see is a massive leap forward since our last update. Welcome back to 55 Degrees North, your go-to channel for real-time updates, infrastructure changes and major developments across the north. It's been just under a week since our last visit, so let's take a closer look at how things have progressed. The first thing you'll notice straight away is the huge gap in the structure. Last time we were here, only the north and south on-off ramps had been taken down, but now a significant section of the main flyover itself is gone, and it completely changes the look of the site. This is where things really start to feel real. The demolition is no longer just preparation, it's well underway. Looking over to where the northbound ramp once stood, you can see that area has now been fully cleared. There's almost no trace left of the structure, which is a huge step forward compared to our last update. Now, over to the south ramp, it's a slightly different story. There's still quite a bit of material left to clear, and you can actually still see one of the original concrete support pillars still standing. That pillar once held the entire ramp in place, so it's a reminder just how substantial the structure used to be. Taking a look into the demolished section itself, it's a tangled mix of broken concrete and exposed steel reinforcement. You can really see how the flyover was built. The steel run right through the structure, now twisted and exposed. And if you look closely, you can still spot some of the temporary support columns that were installed earlier in the process. These were used to stabilise the structure before demolition began, and now they're lying among the rubble. Further down the site, you'll notice something interesting. Some of the support beams have already been moved out of the main demolition area. They've been stacked neatly to one side, likely ready to be reused elsewhere in the project. It's a good example of how demolition today isn't just about tearing things down, it's also about recycling and repurposing materials where possible. It's incredible to think that traffic was once flowing across this structure, and now a large section of it is completely gone. Each update really shows how quickly things are moving and how coordinated the whole operation has to be. If you want to follow the full journey of the Gateshead Flyover demolition, check out the full playlist. I've left a link in the description below so you can catch up on all the earlier progress. And if you're enjoying these updates, please give the video a massive thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We'll be back very soon with another look at how things are developing. A massive thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, right here on 55 Degrees North.